Hi, welcome back. So in this video, we'll be discussing on two things: block and inline in HTML. So block is nothing but a group of tags that is categorized into block level tags, and other group of other set of tags is categorized into inline level tags. So what do you mean by block and inline? Any tag or any content that occupies the entire width of the HTML page in the specific row that is given, that is called as block level tags. And any tag or content, HTML content that occupies only the necessary width that is needed, that will come under inline tag. So we will see one example for each block and inline. So division tag is an example for block level tag. /div and span, there is a tag called span. So this is inline level tag, right? So we will save this file and we will try running this file. Initially, as of this code, you will not see any difference between first and second line because this is block level tag and this is inline level tag. Both are same. To uh, to display the amount of width that is occupied by both tags, both level tags, we can give background for this text and background for this text too. Style equal to background hyphen color colon red. So for the division tag we are giving red. For background hyphen color colon yellow colon semicolon. So for the block level tag text we are given red color as background, and for inline level tag we are given yellow color as background. Hope you can find the difference. Even though the text is just 2 or 3 words, but this division tag occupies the entire width of the page. But in this inline level span tag, uh, the width that is occupied only as much as it is needed, that is till the end of this line. So this is the difference between block level and inline level tags. uh, there are many other block level and inline level tags available in HTML. You can refer those in our website. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching and keep supporting us.